Hey there, Mr. C here with another Math Shorts. Today we're going to be talking about representing numbers to 10,000 using expanded form. Expanded form is when you stretch out a number to show all of its parts. For example, we can use a number like 352 and expand it out like this. Here we can see I wrote the number in the standard form way that we write it. And here we represent each part. 300 plus 50 plus 2 equals 352. What we are essentially doing is showing the value of each digit in a number. Let's try another example together. Here's the number 4,327 in standard form. Let's turn it and change it into expanded form. This is what it should look like when we're all done. We focus on 4,000 first, plus our 300s, plus our 2 10s, 20, plus our 7 1s equals 4,327. So far, we've been looking at numbers that all digits or all places in the place value hold a number or a value. Let's take a look at an example where we're missing a value. Let's say, for example, you were asked to represent the number 2018 in expanded form. Notice that we don't have a number or a whole number in the hundreds place. Therefore, when we go to represent this number with expanded form, we only represent the numbers that are actually there. 2,000 plus 110 plus 8 ones equals 2018. That's because there's no point of adding plus 3 zeros in between thousands and tens. It's just a waste of time. So we can speed things up by eliminating it altogether. Now let's try one on our own. I want you to use expanded form to represent the number 7,155. Pause the video, and when you are ready to check to see if your answer is correct, come back and press play. Hey, welcome back. I'm guessing that you have finished off using expanded form to represent the number. Let's check to see if you've got the right answer. I'm going to focus on doing 7,000 first, plus my 100, plus my 5 tens, finally my 5 ones, giving me a number of 7,155. If you got the right answer, congratulations. You understand what expanded form is and can use it in class. Until next time, see ya.